Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some coconut curry shrimp, and for this recipe I'm going to be using half of a large onion and 3 cloves of garlic, heaping tablespoon of my green seasoning. I'll be putting a link to that recipe. I have the cheese curry powder, some turmeric and Grace curry powder. I have some shrimp in here. Now this is the cooked shrimp that I buy frozen in the packs. Some coconut milk, 1 large carrot, a few sprigs of thyme, some pimento peppers and sweet peppers as well, green sweet peppers or bell peppers, green onions, and some parsley. Let's get into it. Also, I'll be using some black pepper, and some salt. So I put in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. My stove is on medium heat. And to that I'm going to add my usual base of onion and garlic and let it saute for about 2 minutes. Okay, so 2 minutes has passed. It's becoming translucent. And I'm gonna go in with my curry mixture. I'm going to keep moving this around so the curry can burn. It's so fragrant in here. I'm going to do this for about 3 to 4 minutes and I'll be right back. I'm going to start adding my milk, coconut milk. To this I'm going to add my green seasoning, some black pepper, and about half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and now I'm gonna start adding my seasonings. Everything but my parsley. The parsley is for garnishing. I'm going to place this on low to medium so that I can soften up the carrots. And I'll leave it for at least 5 minutes. So I just tasted it. It needs a little more salt, but instead of salt I'm just going to add some complete seasoning. This has dehydrated garlic, onion, spices, and herbs. So, and it has salt in it as well. Now the shrimp that I get is already deveined. The shell is out and it's partially cooked already. And you don't want to leave it too long in there because shrimp can get rubbery if it's cooked for too long. So I'm going to add them in now. They're going to be in here for about 2 minutes. Okay, so here you have it, guys. Coconut curry shrimp is all done. Let's look at that. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to be adding my parsley to garnish. Yeah, so that's it, guys. With this, I'm gonna have some seasoned rice and some fried plantain and vegetables. I'll show you the picture after.